Hi students, welcome. This is Asha here. So this is 21th lesson trigonometric identities from concise book. Okay, so exercise 21a and question number 31. Okay, so cot a minus cosecant a the whole square equal to 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. So this is our RHS and this is our LHS. So we can do in the sum in two methods. Okay, so I am going to do two methods in this video. So just listen carefully students, and you can choose any method which is easiest to one. You can write in your examinations, definitely you will get full marks. Okay, so I am going to do the first method. Okay, so before that you have to write down, okay, what are the reciprocals and identities, trigonometric identities we are going to use in this sum. Okay, so that is cot a can be write cos by sine. So tan is equal to sine by cos. Okay, cosec is the reciprocal of sine, so you can write 1 by sine. And this algebraic identity, and sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. Okay, see, take our LHS, and that is cot. First one, so cot can be write cos by sine minus, this is cosecant, so can be write 1 by sine a the whole square. So we have square. Okay students, so now in this next system, see students, I'm going to do method, so that is why I'm just writing here. Okay, so this is cos a minus 1 the whole square by sine square a. We are separating the squares. Squares is both for numerator and the denominator. Okay, so the square is coming to the numerator. Here you can write cos a minus 1 the whole square. This is sine a, so both the numerators are equal. Okay, so you can write, give the square, so this will be sine square. So how will you write your sine square? Sine square can be write 1 minus by 1 minus cos square a. So you can give square here. So this is cos a minus 1 the whole square by, this is 1 plus cos a and 1 minus cos a. Okay, see, in the next step in the square, I am going to take the minus outside. Okay, so how will you take the minus 1? Okay, it will come with square. So you have 1 minus cos a the whole square by, this is 1 plus cos a and this is 1 minus cos a. Okay, so whenever in the square bracket, if you take any number, that number comes with the square also. So that is why it has a square. So this is minus. So the minus will cancel by the square. That will become 1. Okay, so this is 1 minus cos a and 1 minus cos a. So the denominator we have 1 plus cos a and 1 minus cos a. So which term will be cancelled? Which term can be cancelled? This is multiplication. So you can cancel this one. So we got, yes, 1 minus cot a, sorry, 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. So this is what our RHS. Okay, so do you understand, ma? Yes. Okay, now, so I am doing the first new thing, so that is not confusing, I think, students. Just we have taken the minus outside, means minus 1. So when you take the number within the square bracket, so it comes with the square also. So it comes with minus 1 the whole square, so it becomes positive. And the inner value will be changed. Minus 1, this is minus 1. Here it is plus 1. This is cos plus cos, this will become minus cos. So we have changed. Why we have changed? That is why, then only we get the numerator equal term. Okay, because first term is 1. So that is why we have changed into, then we can cancel. So we got our RHS. Okay, this is one method. Okay, now let's see the second method. So what's that method? So this is method 2. And in that method, we have to take that S or HS. Okay, so that is 1 minus, so that is 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. So what is our conjugate for the denominator, students? Yes, so that is 1 minus cos a by 1 minus cos a. So this is our conjugate. Okay, so we are going to multiply. See, in the numerator we have 1 minus cos A the whole square. Okay, and in the denominator this is of the form a plus b and a minus b. So we can write this one as a square minus b square. So this is 1 square minus cos square. So this is 1 minus cos A the whole square. In the denominator we have sin square. 1 square minus sin square can be right. Yes, sin square. Okay, so this is all the square. So squares we can write all the things under 1 square. Okay, yes, do you understand this step? So okay, so because we have 1 minus cos A sin A the whole square, so you can write just 1 by sin A minus cos A by sin A the whole square. Okay, see students, this is 1 cosecant A because this is a reciprocal, and minus this is cot A the whole square. So this is under squares, you can just interchange or taking minus outside. So we got A cot square, cot minus cosecant A the whole square. As see, we can take the minus outside. Okay, see, if you take minus 1 outside, we get that one. So you can just interchange because the whole square is there. Okay, so cot A minus cosec A. So we got our LHS. Okay, so this is 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A. Okay, so we just multiplied by 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A, just whole square. This is A square minus B square. So again write sin square. In the numerator we have 1 minus cos A. So 1 minus cos A, the denominator we have cos square, sin square. Okay, so you took a whole thing under 1 square. So we can separately write 1 by sin A minus cos by sin A. Okay, so 1 by sin A can be right cosecant A, and cos by sin, that is cot A. Okay, so but still we didn't get the LHS. So what do? We can take the minus outside. So if we take the minus outside, we get cot A minus cosec A the whole square. So that is what our LHS. Okay, so we found our answer, that is LHS. Okay students, I hope you understand. Okay, so if you have a doubt, you just comment in the comment box. Okay, so we have 2 methods. So which method is easiest to one, you can choose that method. You can write in your examinations. Okay, thank you all.